Rohan, see my background.
Uncle will start. Okay.
Questions will come in polling.
Put it. Can you
No.
say me, Pooja?
Uncle will explain you how to do it.
Jayant uncle.
How to do
Yeah,
that?
Venki,
Pooja,
you
say
share,
now, please.
Yogi, share your screen.
Pooja, say. Please,
Click the three dots, then go to that background.
Able to see my screen?
Then
yes.
press the
No.
then press the plus button and
What?
Unmute now, everyone.
Press on the
Yogi.
plus button. Then
Yogi, tell all
and choose your photo.
the kids keep quiet.
Mute everyone.
Appa, I can see.
So,
Wait.
Che.
Hey, wait ba, ellarum. Now everybody can hear me.
Background.
Hey, I am muting somebody still speaking. Who is that? Arshada. Okay. Now everybody wait. Okay. Now you want to play. So just wait for 2 minutes. Venki uncle and Jayant uncle will tell how exactly have to do. Okay. Ready? Okay. I am unmuting all.
Yeah.
Vishnu joined.
Okay. Vishnu, group 2-5.
Uncle Vishnu joined.
Yeah, noted, Chetan. Noted. Jayant, Venki uncle, you can proceed.
ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Ask everyone to mute their audio.
Everybody
Okay, Yogi can do.
Oh, yeah, I'm looking for that. Once share the screen, not able to find this part. Me.
Uncle, it looks like I am controlling your laptop.
Okay, very good, very good.
Yes, I'm.
Do work for me.
Okay. I'll do.
Yeah, good.
Hello.
बहुत प्रॉब्लम है.
ये म्यूट ऑन नहीं आ रहा, इधर नहीं आ रहा, शेयर करने के बाद नहीं आ रहा, हटवा के म्यूट ऑन. ओके, म्यूट ऑन हो गया. Vicky, I muted only you.
Yeah.
Muted. Okay.
Jayant also unmute.
Okay, what name is given?
Hello.
हाँ.
Hey, what name you are given, Jayant? I can't
I
see.
see.
Okay, I see. Okay.
Hello.
Hey, रोहन को म्यूट कर दो.
रोहन
उसको नहीं तो किक आउट करेंगे. Muted. Now muted. Okay. Vicky, I'm opening the screen.
Your earphone is not fixed properly.
Mine, Avinash.
From you only the sound is coming.
From me.
Presentation mode.
Ready?
Okay. So, shall we start? All kids are ready?
Yes, uncle, you can start.
Uncle, you can start. Uncle, you can.
Group
Okay.
wise, we will get a chance for everyone can answer.
Okay. Very simple thing. Okay. We will mute everyone. Question whomever will ask, Yogi uncle will unmute them. Okay. Other people don't try to unmute yourself and talk in between because, or else it will be disturbing to everyone. Okay. We cannot hear their answers. So make sure that only Yogi uncle can unmute you. You don't unmute yourself. Okay. When we have group games, we will unmute all the members in the group, so that everybody can speak. Okay.
Okay. So we can. Venki, your mic
Okay,
is.
just check it.
Venki.
Yeah. Tell me, Yogi.
Yeah. It's up to you.
Yeah, okay, just go to next slide. Is it moving?
Yeah, it's moving. Ganesha is moved.
Ganesha will move in every slide.
Yeah, now moved. Yeah.
Okay, next.
Yeah.
So Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D. Okay. So listen, everyone. The first round will be kind of spell bee. Everyone in the group will have to spell. Okay, I will tell you a word, what it is, and you have to give me a spelling. So you have to tell me in the first this one only, the correct answer. If you tell 2-3 times, it will not be taken into consideration. You can take at least 15 to 20 seconds and you can give me the answer, not a problem. But you have to be as quick as possible because we need to cover everyone. Okay. So I'll be going to first round. Now the round will be spell bee. I will be calling each and every name and they only have to give the spelling for it. Okay. Everyone will get a chance. Okay. So there is nothing that everyone has to unmute and answer. Everyone, I'll ask them, and Yogesh uncle will unmute, and you have to answer. Right? Okay. So Yogi, you can go to next slide.
Yeah. Okay. Ready for round one. Venki.
Round one.
Right. Next. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So Group A. So for Group A, the first question will be to Chetan. Chetan,
Yes,
your
uncle.
word is bureaucracy. You need to spell
Can you repeat, uncle? There is some disturbance.
bureaucracy. Are you there?
Uncle, can I say?
No.
Uncle,
Everyone
there
will
is a
get a chance.
disturbance. I'm not able to hear properly.
Can you hear now?
Now I can hear properly.
Bureaucracy.
Bureaucracy.
Yeah.
We have
Yeah.
any time limit?
Yeah. The 5 seconds we'll see.
Uncle, is it bureaucracy or neurocracy?
Bureaucracy. B for ball.
Okay. Uh,
So you don't have any idea on it, right? I'll move it.
B E
Sorry, Chetan.
Bureaucracy.
Sorry. Come again.
Bureaucracy.
No. It's wrong. Yogesh, you can just show the spelling. Yogi, are you there?
Yeah. Okay. Venki is moving. Okay.
Okay. You can see Chetan, right? Bureaucracy. Right?
So actually, I didn't observe whether it's a point or it's a
No.
not. No.
They'll
No
not
point.
get any point. No
Okay.
point.
Okay.
Okay. So Rudra is there, huh?
No.
Rudra is joined.
No.
So
He's not.
what can we do? We'll skip it, huh?
We have to skip. There is no other options. If
Okay.
there is no
So
points, if the team want to, okay, let's skip it. Okay, that is a better idea.
okay. Then who should we give it now?
The
The
next person will come, right?
No, the answer will come again.
Okay.
Next person will come.
No. We will ask the same question to next person. Like this question will be skipped out.
No, everyone has a word, right, Yogi? So let them only
No,
stick
no,
onto
no.
that.
See, stick on our rules
Or
only.
else, let's, yeah, Yogi, Venki, let's ask the same to Chetan again.
Okay, fine. Chetan, ready then? Next word for you.
Okay, uncle.
Diarrhea.
DIARRHOEA.
Sorry?
It is diarrhea, uncle.
Diarrhea, yeah.
DIARRHOEA.
Yeah.
HOEA.
HOEA. Are you
Yes.
sure?
Should I repeat? Should I repeat?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Should I repeat
Okay,
the
go.
word?
Yeah, I'm clear, but it's actually DIARRHEA. Diarrhea. You'll not get O. Okay, you can show the word, Yogi.
Yeah.
So next is for Sejal.
Sejal, I'm going to. Chetan, please mute yourself. Sejal. Okay, join with Rahul.
Sejal is on.
Sejal?
Hello?
Yeah, Sejal.
Yeah, Sejal, you are there?
Yeah, I'm there. Can everybody hear
Yeah,
me?
yeah. Sejal, your word is legitimate.
Uncle, I can't hear properly, Uncle. Can you say once again?
Legitimate.
Legit. Sorry. Legitime.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, legitimate.
I'll proceed.
Should
Yeah,
I
you
Yeah.
can
say?
proceed. No, it's fine. It's fine. That's correct. You can proceed. Go, Yogi. Next. Next is Adityan is there.
No,
Okay, we'll ask again for Chetan.
no. This is, it should be little bit. We can ask other people, like maybe Sejal or Nega.
Okay, we'll ask Sejal only.
Huh,
Yeah.
okay, Sejal only.
Okay, Sejal.
Sejal?
The next word is discipline.
D
Yeah.
I
Mm-hmm.
D I
Sorry,
C.
come again.
Can you repeat once again?
Discipline.
DICIPLINE.
I didn't get you. What did you say? DI?
DISCIPLINE.
Right. Yeah, correct. Yeah, you can proceed, Yogi.
Yeah.
So next is for Neha.
Nega? Okay.
So
Sejal, you have to unmute. Let me. Where is that?
Excuse me, uncle.
Mute.
Uncle, can I ask the question?
Uncle, I have a doubt.
hello. Yeah.
Hello.
Who is?
Uncle, is the diarrhea a disease?
See? Sorry, I didn't get you.
You gave me the spelling diarrhea, uncle. Uncle, but I think it is HOEA because I just now searched. It is showing HOEA.
Diarrhea.
Yeah. Because last time Tejasvi uncle asked me the same question.
Okay.
So I got it. I have it.
There are two diarrheas. Okay. Anyways. Okay. Let's
Actually
see that.
can be
Not a
both.
problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, it can be both. Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Last time also I got the same question. So
Yeah. So we are now searching. How good you are in searching now. So we got to know
Yeah.
that you are searching. Fine.
So,
Okay. Good.
okay.
Good, Chetan. Thanks.
Yeah,
Okay. Next
actually,
is
uncle, I just
Neha,
now
right?
said because I got the same question last time also.
Good, Chetan. Good.
thank you.
Okay. Next is Neha, right? Neha, experience. Neha, word
Yeah.
for you, experience.
Uncle, can you repeat the word?
Experience.
EX
Yeah.
P-E-R-I-A-N-C-E.
No, that's wrong. It's P-E-R-I-E-N-C. Okay. So Yogi, you can just
Okay.
move on.
Okay. Next up.
Adav is not there, right?
No, he joined. Vishnu.
Join.
Vishnu.
Uncle, he's there.
Yeah. I remember.
Okay. Yogi, the word is already displayed.
No, not displayed. It is down backside. Experienced, we finished. Now it's Adav. Adav?
It's already there.
No,
Pick up
they
some
are.
word, Yogi.
No, now finished experience only, right? As of now.
But the
But
other word is I can see in the
yeah.
screen.
So,
Shit. Okay. Got it. I'm using
Ask him
this.
some random word.
Okay.
Ask him kind of circle or something.
Okay. You asked me to. I will ask. Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
Adav, you spell yesterday.
Huh?
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
Hmm.
Double
Hmm.
I-E-S-T-A-R-D-A-Y.
Okay. Tell me one more time. Means, are you sure? Or you can try one more.
Shanna.
Okay. No problem, Adav.
Okay.
So
Fine.
problem is you told YESTA. Okay, it is TE now.
Right.
So we will
Move to
call
next. Tanish.
next one. Okay, Tanish. Okay.
Yeah.
Tanish, I'm unmuting.
Yes, sir. Nice, uncle.
Okay, word.
His word is pomegranate.
Pomegranate.
Hmm.
Parallel. Pomegranate. Yeah. Correct.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
O.
Try. Okay.
Say. P-O.
E. G. R. A.
Try.
N.
Rule.
Okay.
A. T. Comma T. Pomegranate.
Okay. Yogi, did you hear that? I couldn't.
Actually, no, I think something NT.
Who was missing?
I think
Okay. Fine. So I think we have done with group A. So how many were correct?
three,
Including that
three,
We have
Chetan's three, right?
three,
three, three,
three
Diarrhea.
correct.
three
Right.
correct.
Okay. Three. Fine. Okay. We'll go to next group B.
Okay. Group B, get ready.
Yeah. First will be for Avinash. Avinash, ready?
Are you Avinash is audible for you people?
No, we can't hear.
I think
Yes, uncle.
Okay. Your word is medieval.
MEDIEVAL.
Hmm. Super. Correct. Yeah, you can move on, Yogi. Next is for Manaswini. Manaswini, you there?
there.
No.
Okay. She's there, right, Manaswini?
Yes, uncle, I'm there.
Okay. Manaswini, your word is maintenance.
maintenance.
Yeah, correct.
Mm.
Good. So next is for Pujit.
Pujit.
Yes, uncle.
Pujit. Pujit, your word is vacuum.
VACUME.
Hmm? Sorry, Pujit. It's VACUUM. Vacuum. Okay. So next is for Kunal. Kunal, you are there.
Yes, uncle.
Okay. Kunal, your word is pavilion.
Uncle, I can't hear you properly.
Pavilion.
Pavilion.
Hmm.
PEVIELAN.
Sorry. It's PAVILION. Pavilion. Okay. You can see that right in the slide. Okay. So next is for Vasudha.
Vasudha, yes.
Vasudha, she's there.
I unmuted.
Vasudha, she's there.
Yes, uncle.
Okay, Vasudha. Your word is humorous.
HU.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Sorry, I can't hear.
Repeat.
I can't hear you.
HU.
Hmm.
R. MUR. Rus. 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 Humorous.
She told N right in between. I didn't hear
No,
properly.
no. I think
Right?
It was M.
He told
M only. Vasudha, you can repeat again.
HU. MUU. Rus. RES.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Wrong. It's wrong answer.
No, it is wrong.
Okay.
We can show the spelling.
You can show it.
Yeah.
So next is for Yukta.
I think he joined with Makesh IT, I think.
Mute ID. Unmute.
Yukta Reddy.
Okay, she's there.
Ah.
Yukta, your word is recommend. Recommend.
RECU.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
MEND.
Okay. So it is actually RECO and WM. Okay. So how many Jayanth here we have?
We have to.
No, one
Two,
more
right?
person is there. Actually, one more person is newly added here. Bibu.
Vibu.
Small kid. 7
Okay.
7 years.
Okay.
7
Yeah.
kids.
Is Vibu here?
Bibu?
Yeah, he's there.
Bibu,
Okay,
can you
ask
speak?
him.
थोड़ा बात करो Bibu.
Yes, uncle, I'm there.
Okay, Vibu. Spell rainbow.
RAIN.
Yeah.
EOW.
Very good. Done.
Done.
So we have 3 right here.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll go to group C.
Yeah, one second. Group C. Sarah first.
Yeah, Sarah. Sarah is there.
Rohan, give it to Sarah.
Sarah.
वो jump कर रहा है वहाँ पे.
Yes, uncle.
Okay, Sarah, your word is questionnaire.
What, uncle?
Questionnaire.
Questionnaire. QUESTIONAIRE.
You're close, but there is actually double N in it. Okay.
Oh,
So it's QUESTIONNAIR. But you're very close. That's a good guess, Sarah. Nice.
thank you,
Okay.
uncle.
Next is for Meda. Meda, she's there. Huh?
I think.
Yes, uncle.
Meda. Okay, your word is embarrassment.
Uncle?
Embarrassment.
EMBRASEMENT.
Okay. Bit close on the pronunciation, but the spelling is EMBARRASSEMEN. Okay. Good guess. Next is for Uditi.
Yes, uncle.
Okay, Uditi, your word is noticeable.
NOTISABLE.
Okay, good guess, but instead of yes, it should be C. So NOTICEABLE. So that is how noticeable is pronounced. Good one. Harsha. Harsha is there. Huh?
No, not available. So we can give to
So
again Uditi only.
Uditi only. Okay, Uditi, second chance for you. Okay.
Okay.
So the word is occurrence.
OCCURANCE.
Okay, so it is OCCURRENCE. So there will be double R, and instead of it's E. Okay, good one.
Okay.
So Shanvi is there. Huh?
Yeah,
Shanvi Sri.
Swati, yeah. Yes. Tanvi?
Hello.
Yes, uncle.
Okay, Sanvi, your word is caravan.
C
Hmm?
A R
Hmm?
A V O N.
Okay, it's VAN or else it's VAAN. There are two words, but you said O, right? So I'll not consider it. But it's a good guess, Shanvi. Very nice.
Okay.
So
Alia?
it's CARAVAN. Okay.
Yeah, Alia
Alia
is
is
not
not
there.
there. Right?
Tanvi, yeah. Tanvi
Okay.
again. Tanvi?
No, Sanvi only. Okay. No, but it's the same word which I've asked it for last group. We can give some other word. So
Yeah.
Oh.
okay.
So for Alia, you have to ask some questions, right? For that.
So it's anyway you can open the question. It's rainbow only.
But okay. Anyway, you can ask what is for Alia's question.
Shan
For
Alia's
Sanvi.
question for
Yeah.
Sanvi, right? Okay. Sanvi, spell me apartment.
APPAPPARTMENT. Apartment.
Okay. She said double P, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's only one P, right? Okay. Shanvi, it's only one P, but good guess, Shanvi. It's APARTMENT. So next is for Anvita. Anvita is there. Huh?
Anvi speak. Anvi? Huh?
Yes.
Okay.
Anvita, your word is headmaster. She's telling.
No. Not a starter. That is I can do. I can say. Anvi tell headmaster.
Headmaster. Uncle தெரியல.
சரி ஏதாவது சொல்லு ஏபிசி
அப்படியே.
ஓகே
Okay.
we'll skip out.
Fine.
Yeah, next.
So how many were correct here?
Nothing was correct. No.
Yeah, zero.
Okay, fine. We'll move to group D.
Saugantiya.
Saugandhika. She's there, right?
Oh no, Sabatikala correct side. Okay, ma. Okay.
Saugandhika is there. Huh?
Yeah.
Yes, uncle, I'm there.
Okay. Okay, Saugandhika, your word is millennium. Millennium.
MILLENNIUM.
Yeah, that's correct. Good guess. That's right. Okay, you can move to next. Chirag.
Yes, uncle.
Okay, Chirag. Okay, your word is dependency.
What, uncle?
Dependency.
DEPENDENCY.
Okay, right. Dependency. So next is for Aishi. So Aishi there.
Yes, uncle.
Okay, Aishi. Your word is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous. Yeah.
MISSLINAUS.
No, Aishi. So the spell is MISCELLANEOUS. Okay, good try. Rohan,
Yes,
so
uncle.
you're ready. Okay, Rohan, your word is immediate.
IMMEDIATE.
No, Rohan, it's MEMEDIATE. Okay,
Okay.
okay. Next is for Harshika. Harshika, you're there?
Yes, uncle, I'm there.
Okay, Harshika. So your word is attendance.
Uncle, I can't hear you properly.
Somebody is speaking.
Attendance.
No, wait, Venki.
Uncle,
Somebody. Madhu's mic.
Madhu, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Attendance, Harshika. Your word.
uncle, ATTANDANCE. Attendance.
Yeah. Good try, but it is ATTEN, not AN. Okay. ATTENDANCE. Good try. Nice. Next is for Sarthak.
Sarthak.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Sarthak, your word is rhyme.
RHYME.
Okay. I thought you'll be telling something else. But you stopped. Okay. Thanks, Sarthak. Nice guess. Last is for Harshada. Harshada, she's there.
Yeah.
Yes, uncle, I'm there.
Okay. Okay, Harshada. Harshada, your word is grandmother.
GRAN, grandmother. MOTHER.
Perfect. Good.
Thanks, uncle.
So that's over for group D, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how many were correct? Jen?
3.
Four.
Four. Rhyme. 4.
Chirag,
Four.
Rohan, Sarthak.
Saugandhika, Chirag, Sarthak, Harshada.
4.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Uh,
Okay, we have finished with first round. Okay, so after first round, the points then.
Yeah. For group 1, it is 3.
Okay.
Group 2, it is 3. Group 3, it is 0. Group 4, it is 4.
Okay, so group 4 is leading. Okay.
uh,
So we'll move to next round, Yogi.
okay, before that, the meeting is going to close in another 5 minutes. So what we will do, you close this session and we'll start the third one. Okay.
Third session. Okay.
Third
Fine.
session.
Okay.
The third option.
Yeah,
Third,
and just
what?
one.
Third link. The third
Uncle,
link.
you have to go to the third link.
Okay, before that, do you need a break?
No, no.
No, uncle.
No, uncle.
No, uncle.
Okay.
No, uncle.
I need a break, uncle. I
Right.
need a break, uncle.
Whatever. Okay,
Charges.
we'll stop here. Okay. We'll join then the next session.
Session is also there.
Uncle, break is there, otherwise no break.
Hey, you enjoy your break with your friends, man.
Yeah, 10 minutes break.
Uncle, there is
Yeah, Yoga Jayant.
Yogi,
हाँ, एक मिनट.
Yogi, now it is 4:30.
हाँ,
Shall we join at 4:35
हाँ,
or shall we continue immediately?
4:35.
नीचे आ गया.
Okay, let's join at 4:35. 5 minutes.
Okay,
You
everybody
people
fine.
can talk to each other.
You should come down.
हाँ,
Hey, no. Hey, Madhu. तेरा बात सब सुन रहे हैं.
WebEx, yeah, you guys, small kids enjoy with the WebEx.
Okay, uncle. Hi, Satyada.
Okay, uncle.
Enjoy. See your friends and everything. After a long time, you people are seeing, na?
Drawing competition is there.
Okay, exactly 4:35.
Okay.
Okay, uncle. Drawing competition is there.
People left, uncle.
Bye.
Uncle, drawing competition is there, uncle.
Hmm?